Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We don't have anything to do right now, that's why we're just roaming around the airport. If you're watching my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Even today I'll show you what I bake for my tiffin. I'll show you, okay? Yeah, this is today I'm gonna take this one. This is dragon fruits and this is cucumber. So I'm gonna take this. These days my health is not in a very good condition, that's why I'm taking fruits for my tiffin. Yeah, I hope you enjoy watching my video. Please don't skip. Bye. Yeah, now my tiffin is ready. Whoa, I'm gonna enjoy today with this. Hey, I'm gonna have my tiffin now. Dragon fruit. Yes, yeah, see, the dragon fruit is very expensive. I'm eating this after very long time because it's too expensive, right? We cannot afford all the time. So yeah, I really enjoy eating these dragon fruits. Yeah, I think I will buy next time also because it's so tasty. Ay. And now cucumbers. Okay, now we have just finished eating our tiffin. We're just taking rest for some time. Here my friend is there. Say hi. Hi. So we both finished now eating tiffin. Yeah. These days I don't have anything to make a video, so in every video you might see me eating or making tiffin. Okay, so don't get bored. Because I'm very busy here working, I don't have time to go outside, so I'll always vlog of me eating tiffin or packing tiffin. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you will enjoy. If you enjoy watching my video, don't forget to please give like, and you can also comment me down below. Okay, you can give me advice what video you want to watch, what kinds of video I should make. Alright, you can comment me down below. I will really appreciate you. Yeah, if you comment me down. Yeah, I will really like it. So what they are doing. So yeah, I hope you enjoy watching my video, and thank you so much for every one of you for watching my video. I'll show you outside what they are doing right now. Okay, now this is we are sitting inside the room, so from inside we can see outside clearly what they are doing, so I'll just show you a little bit. Okay, so this is the outside. They are working. This airport is, I have already uploaded in my last video. You have already seen, I guess. but also I'm showing you again today. I'm bringing you a new video even today. So this is, see, you can have a look nicely. But this one is, I'm just vlogging, I'm just showing from inside. Okay, I'm sitting inside the room and I'm just showing through the glass. This is the glass, so I cannot show you whole the airport. Okay, actually the airport is very big, but this is just a small part. I can only show you the next, that side I cannot show you. Okay, this is the room that I'm just sitting here. I'm just taking a rest. So this is, you can have a look what it look like. See. Wow, কি মাংস আছে? This beef, yeah. Beef. This beef, my sister and Anon, the cameraman, bought this beef, 1 kg. So we are going to have this tonight. I hope you will enjoy. Oh, this is beef. Oh. Ito ulay di wait ya, ulane. And itu esel, warna jadi orange dulu. Este gamo? Wow. Mình thấy là mày. Yeah, guys. Give me. Beef, huh? Yeah. You take it by yourself, yeah.
There's it's not ready. What is this?
Now we are at the National Park, Mumbai. So I'm going to vlog all this park. Please watch till the end. And we came here, as soon as we came here, it started to rain. It's so heavily, but now it's a little bit stopped. Yeah, and I'll show you. Come along with us. Come. This is the park, okay, and we'll go deep inside. This is just a starting point, and we'll go deep inside there. Bus. See here, they're selling something. I don't know what they're selling. Let's see. इधर से आगे जा सकता है ना? Okay, thank you.
भी सी है अजंग ना मो
मुझे चंदो
कितना है एक को
30 का है।
ओ ऐसे नहीं दे सकता है
दे सकते हैं ना। ये वाला 150 का है।
150 भी दे
ये 200 का।
200 दे दूँगा।
ये देखो बड़ा।
वहाँ अंदर जा सकता है ना, और बाहर कैसे निकलेगा? उधर से ना, ठीक है।
चिल्ला लांगो
तालांगो पुंगा
मैं आने का कर ले
See, there is a big water, I mean the river here. Let's see what kinds of river is this. Oh, the big water. Let's see. Yeah, I want. Very beautiful nature. another YouTuber. See, this is monkey. Oh my god, I'm scared. Are they going to bite us? I'm so scared. See. पानी जैसे नला नदी से जंगल जंगल से फॉरेस्ट से जो चितले में से Actually, this park is very huge, but since we have very limited time, we came at the evening only, so there's not much time. I don't think we can explore whole park, but at least we'll try to cover some few parts. Yeah. Flowers ini gitu, kalau itu belum namanya. Si deman hal sewa, itu forest sih, ini forest tuh tunjuk-tunjukannya sih. Itu deer sih itu, deer nak sih, mungkin aja nak sih. These animals, oh my god, I don't know. See, there's so many. I think this is deer, right? Just tahan bi. Mau yang hangat aja sih. There's small river by here. Mula chapel go flat as it dia ho joni ni chapa se. Oh, man pawa. Ituhan green forest ane dikhawo de aji moi si national park asna animals an ase. Animals to rati de olai goise to phui khai rati noha gere khrai jawa aro itu to khali green nature na itu ane dikhai do de ite birai na olop to duk paise up bishi up ase. See, we climb up there and we climb down here. see nature. Oh, mà nghĩ cho hay cái nào mấy chỗ kìa. Ga sai go sen go film mấy việc này. Mình là sati mohon lai tu another YouTuber ta đây. Rokina set ko tay lo so jaw lagi yo. That is my sister. So we have to go up again. Oh. Come on, Papa. Gas haliman palası. Makine bir taçı taço. Hey, çürüyor bir misin? Jase mohan ne amo via me dime tai am lo wish do ne wapas jase tote do unknown. Here's my sister in for morning ba sam tak na birawle na hiking is na mohan jaile palo to mohan do sam pale aga ne radio jase to krai jawe dia. Itu kindi boleh jadi. Itu ke 200 SMC tu ekta de. Man expensive basna. Park bitor de huwa gane asna. Itu ni. Already reached to our home, so now we are going to eat this one we bought, right? And we're going to eat with the we bought this one, the huge one, and I'm going to eat with this chili powder. Yeah, I will show you how I'm going to eat now. See. Eating like this is not very good for the stomach, but just eating because my sisters, they are eating, so even I just want to eat, so I'm just eating a little bit. I won't eat much because I have a stomach problem. So I hope you enjoy watching my video. Thank you so much. And if you watch, if you're new here, then please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And see you in the next video. Bye. Yeah, I will end my vlog here. So bye bye.